Hello, Facebook. Welcome back again. Um, Leave it to Weaver here. I wanted to do a stock video because I haven't done one in a while. I know a lot of people aren't interested in the stocks. I don't get a lot of views on the stocks, but I like stocks. Making money makes me happy. So, let's see. Let's see if you follow the cursor. We got Berkshire Hathaway. The financials have been hurting a little bit, but honestly, it's been up a little bit. It's down today, but when I bought it, it was 278, 279. It's 335 right now. So I've made a little money off of that. Tesla is booming. Tesla is out of control. Um, when I bought it, it was 165. It is now 244. Apple is when I bought it was 129. It's 180. Royal Cruise Line. That one I don't remember how much it was when I bought it. But I can look that up really quick. Royal's Cruise Line, the cruise lines have been hurting, but Royal Cruise Line has actually been going up. When I bought it, it was at like a 52, um, 43. Like I bought it at different times, so it's different prices. But now it's up to 90. Honestly, I should um definitely hang on to that. I was worried about keeping the cruise lines. Um, some of the other ones I may actually get rid of once they get up to a certain point. But Royal Cruise Line, I think I'll actually keep my hands on. Uh, let's see. There were specific ones that I wanted to go over. Yeah, see that even Norwegian is going up a little bit. No big deal. Uh, Carnival going up a little bit. Um, Ford. Ford was 11 something when I bought it. It's 13, almost 14 now. Ford and I believe now GM has actually teamed up with Tesla to use their superchargers, um, which is a really smart idea because honestly, like their other chargers, everybody's been having problems with them staying connected, accepting their money, um, charging. People plug it in, and it's saying it's charging, but it's not. So they're sitting there waiting time, and it's not actually charging. Neo once again is down. Seems to be a repetitive story with Neo. Let's see right here. Sober. I talk about this stock a lot, and honestly, I plan on investing more and more and more and more into it as long as the company keeps doing what they're doing. This is a new company. I don't really like investing in new companies. I like the proven and sure companies, but I do companies that are risky, as you can see by as on the screen right there. There's a lot of cannabis. I can see cannabis booming. Hopefully, the next few years. But sober, when I bought it, it was 165 and under. It's 183. And I have like 250 something shares. I plan on buying more. I'm just waiting for. I wanted to get down to that 165 area again. And like I said, like I've been saying with the stocks, I listen to certain people when it comes to stock. One of the guys that I listen to most is Stockmo. You can look him up on YouTube. He's a really smart guy, knows what he's talking about. He does his research. He doesn't just guesstimate things. It's just when he communicates about stocks, some of the stuff he's talking way over my head, but he tries to keep it like layman's terms so you can understand it. He simplifies things. Um, he's into some things that I'm not. It's okay. It doesn't matter. His research, he shows you how he does things, and that's what I pay attention to. There's certain stocks that he mentions that I'll start looking into. I've actually mentioned a few stocks to him, which he hasn't really responded. Sober was one of them. I wanted to see what he thought about Sober, but he hasn't responded. Um, Stocks are going. I said it before that like stocks are going to go up because the economy is the government's trying to help the economy right now. They're making it look good. They're making it look good, but it's not really good. It's not. We're in a recession right now. We're heading for a crash. Right now, the stocks are they're bumping up. A lot of stuff's in the green. It's going to have a recorrection, and I've been saying that too. Eventually, uh, just like Stockmo said, he bases all his research off of history, previous recessions and crashes. So he's estimating about the end of the second quarter into the third quarter. So I'm guessing probably about August. I'm gonna start putting money into stocks because we're going to have a nosedive. It's coming. Um, the government's doing a lot of nonsense. They're not helping. They sit in their rooms and talk. Their job is to fix things, and they don't. And then see they're trying to help the things that are making the problem worse, like banks. I don't know how you feel about banks, but me, I really have a bitter taste in my mouth. I don't invest in banks except for the Berkshire Hathaway. They do a lot of the financials. I just don't do it. I don't trust them. I don't like the way they do business. Um, but that's the stocks as of now. They're heading back up. But like I said, we've been predicting that they're going to go back down, and that's when you start buying. Don't start buying now. Buy when they nosedive. Buy them at a bargain. All right. If you have any questions, leave comments, like the video, subscribe to my channel. It's not always just about stocks. I hardly ever do any stock videos um, because you can't just sit there and watch your stocks nonstop. It'll drive you nuts. They're going to go up and down. They're going to go fluctuate, especially your risky ones. But due to the economy and the government right now, everything is it's in a tailspin. It will recorrect itself. It has to. It always does. Just look at the history of recessions and stuff like that when it comes to the stock market. It's just the way things go. There's ups, there's downs, there's craziness. You just got to go along with the ride. Be stubborn. Hang in there. Don't get scared. Um, don't just start selling off your stocks because they're nosediving. That's when you should be buying more. Don't sell them. Hold them for the long term. Day traders, if you're day traders, that's a different tactic. I don't agree with the day trading thing because it's too much risk for one, and it's a lot of work, man. I'm not into doing all that kind of work. But anyways, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, comment on the videos. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Send it to the internet.